Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A common myth has it that if you pet your pup during an anxious episode, they'll feel more afraid. However, calmly soothing and reassuring your dog is fine as long as you avoid loud exclamations or frantic movements. So cuddle away.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vet's Best Comfort Calming Soft Chews. Maxicalm Natural Calming Aid for Dogs. Vetri Science Calming Treats for Dog Anxiety Relief. Natur Vet Calming Treats for Dogs. Thunderease Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit. Sentry Calming Collar for Dogs. Thundershirt Classic Dog Anxiety Jacket. Smart Dog Puzzle Toys for Beginners.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to a paper published in the journal Applied Animal Behavior Science, a dog's breed also has some bearing on whether or not he or she will be scared of loud noises. Classic hunting breeds, such as Great Danes and Pointers, are less likely to be scared because of their genetic predisposition not to be.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why are dogs afraid of fireworks? 6 ways to comfort your dog during fireworks. Stay indoors or get away from it all. Talk to your vet about possible medications. Give your dog lots of snuggles. Invest in a pressure wrap or vest. Prevent escapes. Distract your dog with treats or activities they enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.